Hi, I'm Jennifer from SpeedyIndex, and today we're going to talk about how to index WordPress website blog post in Google in 2024. If you want to ensure that your WordPress website blog posts are indexed by Google in 2024, here are some recommendations to follow. 1. Submit your XML sitemap to Google Search Console. An XML sitemap is a file that lists all the URL on your website, making it easier for search engines to crawl and index your content. 2. Optimize your blog post titles and meta descriptions. Make sure your titles and meta descriptions are unique, descriptive, and include relevant keywords. This will help search engines understand what your blog post is about and improve its visibility in search results. 3. Use internal linking. Linking to other relevant blog posts or pages on your website can help search engines discover and index your content more easily. 4. Promote your blog posts on social media. Sharing your blog posts on social media platforms can help increase their visibility and drive traffic to your website, which can signal to Google that your content is valuable and relevant. 5. Monitor your website's crawl errors. Regularly check Google Search Console for any crawl errors or issues that may prevent search engines from indexing your content. By following these recommendations, you can improve your WordPress website's indexing and visibility in Google search results in 2024. We hope SpeedyIndex will improve your productivity and simplify your workflow. Thank you for your attention.
SpeedyIndex. Index faster. Rank higher.